Nothing is changing in your life because you are not doing anything to change it. You are living the same old stale life which is full with stuckness, toxicity, unhealthy lifestyle and lots of addictions. Your addictions is keeping you mediocre and you are choosing mediocrity because you are not meant for excellence. Today I am here in Pokhara. The AQI is around 60, 62 or 60 and have a feel of the freedom that I am experiencing right now. My life is interesting and my life is full of liveliness. I create this liveliness with my powers by participating in life, and I am showing you the life that I am living at this moment in abundance. So while I transform you through my teachings, have a feel of this moment which I am experiencing right now. At my back is the maize plantation, and these are just wilderness of the Himalayas, the beautiful flowers that I see, and at my back is the mountain. You are mediocre because you have chosen mediocrity. You have chosen the life that is very much comfortable to you. No one tells you as a child to get addicted. You have got addicted. One by one, your addictions have come from your incomplete state. Since you don't feel complete as a life, and that is why you fill yourself with lots of, to fill that gap, you fill that gap with lots of addictions. So as I go ahead, I will be showing you the wonders of grounding nature around, and you experience my teachings with this real feeling. See the wind and the flower moving with the wind. Have a feel of this flower as well. And this is the Ganga Tulsi, which is mostly found in Himalayan region, a medicinal herb that cleanses your nasal passage, and these buds. So feel life with me as I am living and showing you where your attention is going. Your attention is going to the addictions, and to maintain the addictions, another addiction is taking you over. You are actually leading to disaster because you are not excited enough, passionate enough to create your life. You are following what is given to you, and you have accepted that you are a failure and nothing can be done with you. So here is the sunflower, and you can see how beautifully it is blooming. Have a feel of this natural ambience. The maize plants out there, the blue sky, and everything is miracle here. And I am here living my life. What actions do you take on daily basis to change your life? Right now, I am making my student who has come for the physical project from Singapore in Pokhara do an activity to open the heart chakra, to open the heart center. And how your heart center will open? when you take the initiative to take the challenges that is life is giving you every moment. So that person was seeking attention to me, and what did I do? Live I am showing you how did I not pay attention, because it is meaningless for me. I am on my mission, I am on my journey, and I don't get distracted by any kind of distractions from anyone. If a mind is speaking continuously in your background app is on, and that background app is causing disaster to you. So keep feeling the rawness of this place and everything around. You cannot ask for more when you get such kind of freedom to live your life. I am living this life right now, and I can see so much wonders of nature, and you too feel it. Have a feel of this place. Those are peaches growing. If you can have a look. Have a feel of the peaches around. These are peaches. Can you see? These are peaches. This is a peach tree and a bamboo tree as well. So have a feel of this place completely. It's a raw and wild kind of ambience. Nothing much of the much developed civilized cities. It's giving you a grounding experience, and this is what changes you when you come out of your house and you expose yourself to the rawness of nature in its natural form. You cannot decide which activity will shift you. You have to be available to life. When you are available to life, you will find that so many things are happening in your surrounding, and this practice itself makes you into a conscious being. This practice changes you. This practice itself will bring the shift in you, and you don't have to remain addicted. So get out of your home and start walking every day. Every day walk in a different place, in a new dimension, into the unknown. This practice I do every day. Every day I take different route. If you are always going in the right, then choose left, and after that choose right, left, and this way you will choose different kinds of experiences happening to you. If you are stuck in the mind, then nobody can change you until you decide to change. There is no magic pill to changes, and that is why people remain stuck in the matrix for lives. They cannot transform on their own. They need a powerful force to work on them, and that is why it is important for you to be with me, because I am powerful. I work with my powers to transform you. I work with my powers to shift you. And when you take the plunge, take the initiative to come to the unknown, you come to such different ambience that you never expected. Have a feel of the diversity this earth gives you. When you are diverse and choosing consciously different kinds of experiences, then you will reach a place, something like this, which I am capturing for you to experience. Just wait for a few minutes and I will take you to a place which is unique in itself. Can you see the purple flowers out there? Have a feel of it. So I have come to the lakeside and you too experience with me the wonders of this place and have a feel of everything that is visible to you. Look at these purple flowers. Look at the people who are in the lake rowing boat. Look at those mountains. Look at everything that is unique. This is life. If you want to change your life, if you want to come out of mediocrity, then you have to experience life fully in this moment. Have a feel of everything that you can see with. It's a cloudy day and soon it may rain. So have this experience with me right now and enjoy the feel and the vibe of this place. So I took the initiative to change everything, and everything changed with the action that I took for my life. And why you are stuck, ask yourself. Ask yourself, where are you stuck and what can you do to change, if at all you want to change anything of your life. That's all for this teaching. Have a great day and bye-bye.